When critical systems power essential public services, stability isn't optional. A public sector organization relied on a highly customized, legacy version of Oracle J.D. Edwards World to support statewide financial and operational functions. But when two key Oracle experts with over 20 years of institutional knowledge departed, the organization faced immediate operational and financial risk. System support gaps led to reporting and reconciliation challenges, growing compliance concerns, and increased exposure to check fraud, at a time when urgent banking and regulatory changes were required. Inspire Solutions stepped in with hands-on, configuration-specific expertise. Within 48 hours, a senior consultant was deployed to stabilize operations and provide production-level support. The team addressed critical compliance needs, including MICR and positive pay requirements, guided the transition from dot matrix to laser check printing, and supported reconciliation, security, and reporting best practices. The impact was immediate. Oracle J.D. Edwards operations were stabilized. Staff confidence was restored. Compliance and fraud prevention efforts moved forward with measurable progress. Leadership gained renewed confidence, not just in day-to-day operations, but in planning for future modernization. With Inspire Solutions, legacy systems don't hold organizations back. They become a foundation for what's next. Inspire Solutions. Technology is our focus, and quality is our commitment.